Previously on Poke Hill. What are we doing?
We're painting another car.
There's the rivets. It looks like a completely different car. What's going on, guys? Welcome to Poeboys, and in this video we're gonna have a complete turn of events considering the last video, which go click up there. Jared, Jason, and Rail, all three of them collaborated and freaking let me have a car that looks amazing in tribute for my dad. I wanna say very much thank you for that, because that is something that really just, it means so much to me. I can't even explain how. It's an amazing feeling to know that I have people behind my back that are supporting, even though that I'm going through some of the craziest times of my life. But I do want to explain that this video is going to be nothing on the same note as the last video. On my way home, I had a freaking heck of a time. So once we loaded the car up on the trailer out of the paint booth, I started rolling back home from Alabama, and that's about a 7-hour drive, and here's what ensued. Enjoy the freaking video. Like and subscribe if you want to see some more. Love y'all. Ladies and gentlemen, if anything went right, we would be having a freaking no channel at all. That's why we got a channel, because everything goes wrong. I need to get into the hood, and I need to take a tie. Where is one? I need a nipple. This whole entire process is ass. All right, well, me, dude. This literally is the worst. My hand's covered in diesel, and so is the camera now. But the reason why, because that guy right there is leaking. This is the water separator. And the tip of it broke, so my water separator is open. If I cap it off completely, will it stop leaking is my question. It's still leaking profuse amounts of stuff. Dude, my hand is covered in diesel. This sucks, man. Why does this have to happen? Oh my gosh, this is such a pain in the ass. Well, considering that we're in the middle of freaking Alabama, this might be a problem. I'm just gonna try and start it. Hopefully it freaking does. All right, well, the truck moves. I'm literally leaking fuel. I'm leaking fuel as we speak. Hopefully they have some sort of rubber stoppers at this here gas station. Oh my gosh, why does my life have to be this tragic? I literally cannot catch a freaking break. My truck is now leaking fuel in the middle of Alabama, 7 hours away from home. Oh, there isn't even a Love's or nothing. Truck just died. So the truck does still turn on, but we're also still having leaks. Fuck every second of this. All right, guys, so I've got some RTV here from a gas station. It's RTV some shit. Oh, shit. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to fix that. There's no fucking parts store around me. I can just put a hole in my fucking head. I'm literally covered in diesel, but we're mixing JB Weld because I think that might be the only freaking option we got. Here's my steering stick. Man, I really just want to go home. All right, well. All right, sorry guys for being diagonal, but if you can see there's no more leak. I just filled it up and we're still full. We leaked that much diesel. I'm covered in diesel. This is how much diesel is on my shoes right now. I can slide on the pavement. My whole entire back is covered in diesel. All because freaking Ford told me to drain the water separator valve. So I touch it and it breaks because it's Ford, plastic piece of shit. Let's hope this gets us home. We're relying on some Gorilla JB Weld stuff, RTV silicone stuff, and we're hoping it'll freaking get us home. If it leaks the whole way home, I'm just gonna have to be watching the gas gauge and fill up extra. It's gonna put diesel all over my brand new wrap, man. If my life went right, I don't know what I would do. Like, I used to have a great life before this, and now literally everything has just gone wrong. I don't know what else there is to do. Truck just died. Truck literally just died. That's it. It's as far as we could have went. I'm literally 7 hours away from my house with no one else, and I don't even know if this thing will move. I wish I could just take the car and load the truck on the trailer and just drive the truck with the car.
Yo.
I got some news.
What's the news?
Truck's broke down.
Oh God, where?
Like an hour out of the state line of Mississippi and Alabama. It's leaking fuel out the side of the truck. I've literally tried to fix it. I'm still currently trying to fix it. I don't know. I don't know what I need. I'm stuck in Alabama and I don't have a single person that cares about me enough, so I'm calling you. I'm literally like 5 seconds away from stepping in front of traffic, bro.
Dude, don't be like that. Do you need a new separator or what?
It's not a new separator specifically, the cover for the separator. I just need that.
Shit, have you looked and seen where you might get one?
There ain't a parts store anywhere within an hour of me. Can't fucking do anything. The truck's not gonna move unless I get my part. I wanna kill myself. I'm on the side of the highway. The truck's way back there. I'm just walking back up to go to the gas station to see if I can't get anything that might help. Thanks for going with me, friends. Love y'all. Something good has to come from all of this because there's just too much going wrong in my life for something not to be. And if this is how life is gonna be, I'm moving to Canada. I'm just gonna live in a little hut and I'm not gonna even care about cars anymore. I'm just gonna walk, man. I can't catch a break. That's my dad's truck. It broke and it's my dad's truck. Y'all don't even have to like this video because I hate this one. I really do. I hate this video. So much wrong with everything going on and I have no control over it. God's laying the big old dick down on me and saying, "F you, you piece of shit." My goodness. I don't even know what to say. At this point, I'm trying to accept the fact that all this is going on. It sucks, man. It really does. I just walked all the way back to find my keys and the silicone. I just probably walked about a good 2 miles on the side of the highway to a gas station to find my keys on the floor. All right, so y'all wanna see the car? The truck and car? Right there. I'm going back to the truck. It was worth the 2 mile walk because I got my silicone and my keys. It's not really easy to do much without keys. Now I can at least start the car up if I have to move it. I'd like to know what I did wrong. Well, I'm dark now, still walking back. Probably 30 minutes one way and then back. I think that's more than a mile. And I don't walk in no slow turtle speed pace now. I walk at their speed on the highway. Finally got back. Ladies and gentlemen, I just want to go home. Is that too much to ask? I don't give a damn what anyone thinks. I'm making it home tonight. If I have to take the drift car off of the daggum trailer and drive that hoe back 4 hours, then I will take the daggum drift car off of the trailer and drive that hoe back 4 hours. Oh boy, it doesn't even have a plate on it, but that's the levels of extent that I'm willing to go to sleep in my own daggum bed instead of sleeping on the side of the highway tonight. I'm gonna make this freaking happen. Jared just texted me, he's on his way.
All right, so we're leaving the Walmart here in Leeds, Alabama with a giant bag of Play-Doh. Headed to rescue Poe from the side of the interstate in Livingston, Alabama, 2 hours away. So we're on our way.
Oh my goodness, Earth. Jared is one of the best people ever. I want y'all to freaking say something to him, man. Go hit up Jared, go follow his channel. This dude has literally done everything that he possibly could for me. He's on his way here with some freaking Play-Doh because that's what I'm gonna use to cover up all this stuff. Yo! We're freaking driving! Oh my gosh! We are moving down the road! I walked to that gas station, got my car keys. I also got 3 sticks of JB Weld. I had to tell Jared to turn around and oh my gosh, I felt so freaking bad doing that because he was on his way here and he was about an hour out of his way. Golly, Jared's a great guy, guys. There's nothing more I can say than he's just an amazing guy. The reason I didn't film putting the JB Weld back on is because the camera was covered in diesel and so was I. I've been rubbing my hands off on a shirt constantly trying to get them clean and it's finally clean enough to where I'm comfortable to pick up the camera, but boy, I have to take a shower when I get home and I also have to take a freaking truck and clean out the inside of it because everything is soaked in diesel. Well, as much as I hate to say it, we broke down again. If you notice, the fuel's at quarter tank and I'm closer to home, so Sean is bringing me a tank of fuel. All right, so it's on. Everything's fine. But when I put it in gear, it's gonna go. Yep. Come on, Ford.
Hey, hello people. You can't seem to own a Ford without having something go wrong, right?
Your boy has had a damn week.
I already know, man. All right, we got the diesel in the truck. Now it's time to get the fuck.
I think there might be a problem with air in the fuel lines.
That would make sense.
Because it'll turn right on, but if I put it in drive, it does.
Try starting that in neutral. It shouldn't change anything. It might.
What if that just started right up?
Oh, there we go. I don't want to hear you say shit.
Last time, it just died instantly if I put in any here. Oh,
The key was neutral,
baby.
baby.
Make sure it actually goes. Yo! We ran out of gas in a quarter tank again! You Ford!
No, it was because I said put it in neutral. Yeah, Caleb.
Dodge, if you see this sponsor, your boy.
Dude, he
Thank
did come
y'all so
back
much.
again.
Y'all are the
Yes,
best.
sir. Go straight home.
I was!
I know you are, but I'm just saying, go straight home.
Thank you, will do. Power stroke things, baby. Running out of fuel at quarter tank. Okay, so Caleb and Sean just got here, and I'm gonna get their reaction of the car.
Okay, good, because like I wasn't looking yet.
All right then. Y'all can go ahead and turn around and look at the car.
Oh, sheesh. Hey, is that the intake?
Yes. No, you gotta walk around to the driver's side.
No step.
No, it says, this is all airbrush, like
Dude,
every single part of this.
Awesome. The Jared, bro. 69, bro. Nice.
It's my dad's favorite number, bro.
Dude.
I airbrushed that myself.
Did you really?
Yes, I did.
Damn.
And there's also no step on the roof because I step on the
I
roof.
didn't see that. Can
I was taking pictures of it last night and then the diesel thing happened and the whole car is covered in diesel now. So, Ford.
Not good for a fresh paint job.
No, it's not at all, but I mean, we had to get home, so. All right, guys, we are back from our trip from Alabama and the truck made it somehow with fuel and the car looks freaking amazing. So let's go ahead and take the car off the trailer so we can give Gavin his trailer back. Thank you very much, Gavin, for letting me use your trailer. Shout out, Gavin, go follow him. Look at how mean this thing looks. Oh my gosh. Holy cow. This thing looks so freaking good. Giving y'all so many walkarounds because it just looks so good. It's hard to take it all in at once. Skirt, the drift car, is looking amazing. Look at the two cars together. Oh my gosh. And obviously Yeet looks great too. I need to put some spindles on the front of it because I had to steal the stock spindles to put on this car because I had the cut spindles on this car before. These spindles right here, if you can see, are cut and welded. So I couldn't use those ones on the Scotty D arms because you have to use the stock knuckles for it. So pretty simple, but I just had to swap them out real quick. And Yeet will get another set because they're really not that expensive. Alright guys, so thank you very much for watching this video. There was so much stuff that happened through here and luckily we all got home. I got the truck fixed so that way I'm not going to have that issue ever again. But I wanted to say thank you for watching this. Oh my gosh, I was probably the most stressed I've ever been just considering I hadn't had any sleep. I just wanted to go home and sleep in my own bed. If you've ever been stuck somewhere and stranded, you know that you just want to go home and sleep in your own bed. So thank you guys very much for watching. If you got this far, freaking love you. Have a great one. Remember to freaking send it. Be freaking great.